Hi, I'm Melanie Scoggins, and this is Locally Leesburg, where each week we highlight a business that helps make our town so unique. Today, we're at Virtual Physio, located in the Body, Birth, and Baby Center at 821 South King Street, with Dr. Lindsay. Dr. Lindsay, thanks so much for having us.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Tell us what you do. You specialize in pelvic health. And tell us all about that and how your business got started.
Yeah, so I specialize, like you said, in pelvic health and specifically in the perinatal period. So during pregnancy, immediately postpartum, even in that fertility stage, I help people with all kinds of issues related to their pelvis, their low back, their hips, their pelvic floor. So that would include anything bowel, bladder, sexual health related as well. And so that is what I treat. I started back in this field several years ago, and it's just been something that's always been a passion of mine. And when my husband and I had our daughter, who is now a year old, we decided to venture out and go full-time with our business. He had started it actually in the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic.
So he also is a...
Yes.
Oh, that's
yes,
cool.
My husband is also a physical therapist.
That's neat.
So we started as a primarily virtual business, and then since having our baby, have now offered in-person services, again with me specializing in that perinatal pelvic health period. So that's kind of how we started.
That's a neat story.
Yeah.
You also offer not just one-on-one, but you have some classes, did you say?
Yes, yeah. So we
this.
offer workshops at the Body, Birth, and Baby Center, as well as a baby and mom fitness class. And so our workshops, we have a preparing your pelvic health, or your preparing your pelvic floor for birth workshop that I offer monthly. We have a rotating postpartum series that is offered every 2 months, and that's going to be different topics related to pelvic health. So prolapse, diastasis, C-section recovery, and then like I mentioned, we have a baby and mom group fitness class as well, where you can bring your baby and your baby carrier, and we do different exercises. So you get to come and work out with your baby, as well as learn different ways to strengthen your body postpartum.
And is that for how a baby up to the age of 1, or?
Yep, yeah, so about walking age, starting at 6 weeks up to walking age.
Oh, okay, great. Tell us about this.
Yes, so this is going to be your pelvis here, and typically your pelvic floor muscles are going to come underneath. They kind of create this big hammock here. So everything that I work on from a pelvic health perspective usually surrounds this aspect of your pelvis here. So especially during pregnancy, we see a lot of changes. The pelvis will really adapt. It starts to spread or grow or shift, and that's where we can run into a lot of different issues. And then of course, postpartum, we want to be sure that that pelvis is really coming back together, that it's nice and stable, doing what it needs to do.
And we were talking, one of the things that you said is that you can help with pain.
Absolutely.
And so whatever your treatments are can help with that.
Yes, absolutely.
I experienced that with my pregnancy, so it's important to know that you can do that. I'm sure somebody will want to know that.
Yes, definitely.
How can people learn more about your business?
So you can find us on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, as well as you can find us on our website at virtualphysio.net. If you'd like to learn more information about our services or book a consult with us, you can fill out a form there and then book from there. So,
okay, thank you, Dr. Lindsay.
Yep, absolutely. Thanks for having me.
I'm Melanie Scoggins. This is Locally Leesburg, and I'll see you next time.